participated in this webinar. It's the best webinar I've ever experienced. It's well worth your time and money. It's showing what I really see as a groundbreaking opportunity right now to participate in a small business opportunity that can actually make you $200, $300, $400,000 a year and scale up even beyond that. And I mean, Diego and the drone boss they've outdone themselves in not just showing you the technical, legal, and insurance attributes of this zone business, of the drone business, but giving you the business details that I wasn't aware of psychologically. And I have a degree in psychology of how to give your clients, prospects, what they want and what they're searching for in their psyche, in their wants and needs to show their business acumen. And I'm just saying it's worth every penny of your time. It's worth every effort and that you put into doing this, because I know time is precious. You know, you can't get enough time back. You can't get your time back. But this is something that is well worth your time and money, and it's worth every effort you would want to do. And they're giving you the American dream. They're because you live in a free country, and you're able to accumulate something to pass on, and you're able to build some opportunities, not just for yourself, but for your loved ones and for the country at large. So I just would recommend this. They show you, that, like I said, the technical and the psychological business acumens that I just wasn't aware of. And like I said, I have a degree in psychology, and they've also given me the confidence that I could go out and present this logically. Thank you.